It has been a mystery for me to explore new and new things inside me. And it's been a journey of ups and downs. We have been thinking about the things which we don't experience yet, but trying to imagine them with our closed eyes. We have not eyes to see them, but yet we are telling, telling. So now I am speaking, but I am not. What do you want to listen? I can say anything. I can speak anything. I can be anyone. Now I have got something which is showing me path, and I am now comfortable with it. This is totally beyond my understanding, and right now I am speaking just through this energy. This energy is giving me what to say. This energy is giving me something to speak. Whatever is being spoken here is not by me. It's totally different. It's not me. I will don't want to do this anymore. Only thing I want to say to you is that relax. The fundamental thing which I'm realizing now that we speak what we feel. Sometimes I think that I am so stupid that everybody seem intelligent to me, but maybe it is reverse. It's good that I have a second channel also that keeps me busy and I can enjoy at least there. Here I am only giving myself to this world. The better thing is that you do what you want in your life. We can train our mind to anything. We are in Ayurveda, right? It's good that we are honest. Be honest with you. Step by step, you just read things and automatically you will remember them, and also you will get to know the real meaning of that. Be honest with you. That's it.
तो इसको चंचल ही बनाया है ना, इसलिए चंचल है। इसको रहने दो चंचल, क्यों इसको छेड़ रहे हो? मन वो लेंस है जिसके थ्रू प्रकाश आता है। अब प्रकाश को एक जगह रखोगे तभी आग जलती है। तुम इसको ऐसे हिलाते रहोगे तो फिर आग नहीं जलती है। तो वो जो इश्क की आग है, अगर वो जलानी है अपने अंदर, तो इसको एक जगह फोकस करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, किसी भी एक चीज़ में अच्छे से फोकस करना है। तो एक से अगर तुम जुड़ गए तो तुम सबसे जुड़ गए। एक से भी जुड़ लो ना तो सबसे जुड़ जाओगे। और जुड़ते कैसे हैं? ऐसे ही जुड़ते हैं कि बस एक को ऐसे पकड़ लिया कि 24 घंटे उसी का नाम है, किसी एक को पकड़ लो। तो ये भौतिक जगत का प्यार आपको आध्यात्म तक ले जाएगा, लेकिन चाहिए एक। भटकना नहीं है संसार में, एक को ही पकड़ो।
And this is only one segment of brain. There is much more to it. There are much more realities.
तो चीज क्या है? ये तेरी राख तक को जला देगा।
पर इस लाइन से अगर तुम डरते हो तो तुम खुद से भी डरते हो। जब खुद से ही डरते हो तो सामना किसका करोगे? This is my gratitude towards him.